There's supposed to be like a card trick. Oh no, I'm thinking of Pokemon. He's opening.
Travis Etienne. Jalen Carter.
Oh. Let's see, who's this?
Chris Olave.
Chris Olave. Luke Musgrave. Oh,
Beaver.
Vive, yeah. Tua. Nice card.
Like a one of something. He looks like a bomb. Show it. Pack 2 for Alex.
Okay, we got Clemson. AJ Brown, pretty cool card. Christian Gonzalez, this guy's a duck. We don't fuck with that.
Who's this?
Who's this guy?
A Boilermaker.
Kenny Pickett. Guys, we pulled. Wait, I don't know if this might be a fire. This might be a good card. Oh, it's 100 of 2 good-looking cards. Why are you on? I'm seeing
Nick Chubb. That's a great start.
Will Levis. That's a terrible start. It's a terrible player.
He doesn't have a team or a jersey in this picture.
Yeah, he does. Number 3. Ooh.
But look, they all say a team.
Oh.
Is this a rare misprint?
Oh wait, no, that might be.
He doesn't even have Kentucky on his jersey.
It doesn't even say anything on the back either. It just says select. Wait.
They edited it out.
Wait, what if we got like?
This is a 1-of-1 Kenny Pickett.
Wait, that might be a crazy card. It doesn't say anything on the back. It just says shoes. He's pretty good. Joe Shiesty. The Joe Shiesty. Don't name it. Stephon Diggs. This tech.
Patrick
Patrick Mahomes.